I salute you all in the global community of TVisions. It's a pleasure and a blessing today coming to you with my daily meditational broadcast. And today we are so happy, we are so blessed to be celebrating, and Christians across the world are celebrating our Easter Sunday. And when we celebrate Easter, it's all about resurrection. Resurrection depicts newness. Resurrection depicts transition from the old to the new era. Resurrection depicts restoration of hope that was missing for long. Resurrection depicts deliverance from captivity and the power of bondage, the bondage of Satan. So as we are celebrating our Easter Sunday today, and God willing, Monday, we want everyone to reflect on a new wind blowing all over TVC community. Let's take advantage of this resurrection to bring about a new trend in the TVC community. I would like to emphasize on one important idea this evening. The Bible says in the book of Proverbs chapter 23, as you read from the verse of 7, Proverbs 23 verse 7, that as he thinks in his heart, so he is. So as a man thinks in his heart, so he is. It's always necessary that we reframe our thinking capacity or the level of our thinking. You see, we have all come into a community that is full of abundance, a community that initially could give out, coins to people. We allow the community, we ourselves, to manage our coin, transaction without giving the system or the admin any penny. A community that today, when you pay your admin fee of 8 grains of gold, you stand to gain 30 coins of TVC. A community that the Creator himself have decided to relinquish some of his powers, share his powers and authority to the community, to the entire, you and I, so that we'll be part of the administration. What again do we need? We have come to this community that is full of abundance and sharing, and we have to be more positive mindset. There are a lot of people that are still having negativities and still doubting what will be the fortune of TVC in the future. I am here to tell you that TVC has a great fortune because we are the people that manage the community, and we are going to push it hard. Nothing is going to be too late, We shall do our very best to make sure TVC comes to liquidity. Don't forget, I was telling someone today that the human brain has the capacity to cause the impossible possible. Once you begin to align your brain, and towards positivity, it comes, because whatever you think, the Bible says, so he is. Proverbs 27, 23, the verse of 7. As you think in your heart, in your mind, so you are. So when you think that TVC will hit liquidity, we will. When we say TVC will not, we may hit, but you will not be there. And therefore, let us all be more positive mindset as we move into this new era. The administration, once we complain about the standard and the systems of the administration, today the administration is sharing his powers with us. And that's why he said we should join the mass adoption team, so that you too, your voice will be counted, your intelligence, your wisdom will be counted. Some of us act as if we are too smarter than the administration. No problem. How smart you are and how powerful you are. We welcome you to the Team A of TVC. Come there and bring your smartness there. Share ideas. Show us the way that you think when we go, it will let us hit liquidity within a month. Don't forget that TVC is a very thick, tall Iroko tree that takes a longer time to build the root, so that in future, no matter how stronger and how bigger the trunk will be and the branches, it will never pull down because it has a very formidable and enduring root. In the community that takes time to build with a very strong system put in place, it is destined to stand the test of time. Just imagine that even when Bitcoin was launched, we all knew how frustrating it was when you do transaction. At times, it takes 2-3 days before transaction goes through. People were frustrated, people lost a lot of investment, and people could not even trust the system because they didn't have enough time, testing time. but TBC have gained enough testing time. We've gone through the trials, we've gone through the mud, we've gone through the brute, and today we stand to be more experienced because the system has gone through a lot of testing, and we are presenting to the world a very strong and a reliable blockchain, a very strong and a reliable system that can do thousands of transactions within a second. And that is what we all need, and that is what the world needs. We are a system that have come to stand, that have come to live forever. And therefore, we are not rushing at all to spring up and die tomorrow. No. So please, if you are in the community, I challenge you to develop that positive mindset. Let us be positive. Let us be positive. As we all develop positivity, we will get there, because the Bible says, as the man thinks in his heart, so he is. So if you all begin to think that it is possible, we will get there, we will reach there. My brother, my sister will get there. Let's put out a new wind, a new mindset, a new ideas as we move into this. Try as much as possible you can to be part of the mass adoption training. And as you have been trained, you know, one interesting thing I've seen about this community is that it's not just training you to build TBC, but training you to build your own life. I can testify that the very few days we started listening to admin, I, for one, have developed a lot of ideas, a lot of intelligence, a lot of capacity, in addition to what I used to. And I believe that my new era is going to be in a very high speed, because we are destined to operate above the three-dimensional level. You know, I challenge you to move beyond the three dimensions, and let's all get into the fourth and fifth dimensions. That is where reality, you know, ideas is being transformed into reality. That is where innovation or thinking, you know, ideas is being innovated into tangible things. And therefore, let us all move higher, because whatever we see in this universe was once a thought. And therefore, what admin has put in place, when you go to the block and read, all the information in the block is possible, because when we all put our heart to it, the ideas can be reality, because that is how the Lord created humanity to be. We have the capacity to cause the impossible to be possible. Therefore, I challenge you that as we celebrate Easter, this is newness, this is resurrection, a new TBC, a new community, a new life, and a new transformation. Long live TBC, long live the admin, long live the broadcasters, long live mass adoption team, and long live the entire community. See you again tomorrow. Don't be late at the TBC mass adoption training. Try to be punctual, and when you come, stay put and listen. God bless you.